today is my birthday. I can't believe this is actually here.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when
What's up, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar Effects here, back with another video, and this one is somewhat of a double whammy because, I mean, so many things are going on right now, and as you guys already seen, we have officially smacked 100,000 subscribers, and I got the plaque. Oh my god, do you guys see this? This is absolutely insane, guys, and I could not have done it without you, so thank you so much. I've been doing this YouTube thing like literally not even part-time. I used to upload what, like, you know, last 2 years I've been uploading maybe about 2 to 3 videos a month, if that, maybe 1 video. And to get to this point, you know, almost 5 million total views, 100,000 subscribers, it just shows me that what it is that I'm doing with this channel, even though I may not be as consistent as some of the other YouTubers, the information that I am providing seems to be working, and you guys are enjoying it, and we're creating some success stories, because if not, this would not be possible. So again, thank you guys so much. In this video, we're gonna be talking about something that is so freaking important when it comes to achieving any level of success and getting out of where it is that you currently are and reaching that next pinnacle point to make the rest of your life the best of your life. And I truly do believe that in order to make this happen, it starts with a few things. And one of the main things that it has to start with is you making a decision that where you are right now is no longer where you want to be. And that's actually very important. I know it sounds simple, but I don't think a lot of people actually get that part. Like, it has to be a decision. And when you look up the definition of decision, the meaning of decision is a conclusion or resolution reached after consideration. So you guys already took into consideration your situation. You probably already know where you are in life and what you don't want to have versus what it is that you do want to have, and if you don't want to work your job anymore, or maybe if you just want to fund the business. But you have to make that decision that where I'm at now is not where I'm going to be at in the next 6 months. And once that decision is made, the next step is being able to set your goals. Now, goal setting is probably the most important thing and the main thing that I can contribute to all success that I've had throughout the years, especially when it came to trading. See, I may not be the best at everything. I'm not the best speaker, I'm not the best teacher, I'm not the best trader, but the things that I do work. And the reason being is because I don't do anything without setting a goal first. So you have to ask yourself, have I ever really set the goal and made the decision to become a full-time trader? Have I ever really set the goal, I don't want to work my job anymore? When I made the decision back in 2019 that I was tired of struggling and I no longer wanted to drive for Uber, though the decision was made, I didn't set the goal. And those two things have to go hand in hand. It wasn't until I set the goal in February of 2020, literally right before the pandemic, that I started moving towards changing everything in my life. I had one goal, and this goal was very big. It was to go from where I currently was to making over $10,000 a month within a 4-month period. I kept telling myself that by June 29th, which is my birthday, exactly 3 years ago from today, that I would no longer ever have to worry about money again. And it was more than just saying it. I had to sit down and come up with the blueprint to get there. I had to sit down and comprise of the plan of actions. And I had a few plan of actions. Within the 3 months of actually taking action on them, I achieved every single one of them. 2020, I started uploading to YouTube a bit more. I said that by my birthday, I would be making more on YouTube than I was driving for Uber. Another one of my goals, as you guys know, I used to be a part of another network marketing company, and the goal was to go from about 30 customers, which I had in my organization currently, to over 500, which would put me at the $10,000 a month level. That was goal number 2. And goal number 3 was to be making more from trading than I did at Uber, just in case goal number 1 and goal number 2 didn't fall through on time. The goals were set, and I gave myself 2 weeks to sit down and really map it all out, from mid-February to March 1st, which was the official date that I decided that was gonna be when I started to take action on everything. I literally sat down, I took my time, I went back to the drawing board, I kept thinking about certain things, how we would do this better, how I would change this. It was a lot of emotions flowing through me at that time. But my point is that without setting the goal, none of this would be possible. And there comes a point in life where you really have to sit down and ask yourself, why is it that so many people want success, but only few really obtain it? And the answer is actually really simple. And I know, for some of you, this might sting, but if it stings, it's for you. It's helping you. Just like pouring alcohol or peroxide on a cut to prevent infection. It may hurt in the beginning, but slowly and surely it will start to heal. And the answer is because most people simply lack vision. They lack the ability to believe that what it is that they want is actually possible for them. See, we've been put in this world, in this society where we've gotten used to being told what to do and how to do it. Stressing yourself out, losing hair, and becoming completely unconscious to what is going on to your health is something that has become normalized just for the sake of having a good job. So when you come up with the idea that maybe I don't need this job, maybe I can make just as much, if not more, doing something that I actually want to do, something that doesn't require me to clock in, something that isn't the normal. The idea of making an obnoxious amount of money scares people away. And because of all the negative Nancys in their life, what happens is that slowly but surely they have that excitement, and the excitement slowly starts to fade away. Maybe they're right. Maybe I can't see success. Maybe trading is gambling. Maybe this isn't for me. This is really risky, isn't it? I've already blown a bunch of accounts. Do I really want to keep doing this? And as the famous quote says, the only thing worse than being blind is having sight with no vision. If you look up the definition of vision, vision is the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination and or wisdom. That's right, the ability to think about and plan the future. Your future can be planned with your imagination and your wisdom. Isn't that crazy to believe? To believe that what the mind can believe, it can achieve. So all you have to do is just really sit down and think about and plan your future using your imagination, using your wisdom and the things that you already know. And the beautiful part about future is that when most people think about the future, they think about what's going to happen, what's going to come. But what you don't understand is that the definition of the word future itself is just a time or period of time following the moment of speaking or writing something down. That's right, it's the time or period of time following the moment of speaking or writing something down. If you guys want to be successful with trading, it's actually very simple. You're gonna make that decision and you're gonna speak it to yourself every single day. No matter what's going on around you, no matter who told you you can't do it, no matter how it is that you're feeling, you are gonna continue to speak that you are a successful trader, and you're gonna speak it in the tense as if it has already happened. Make the vision clear and make sure that everybody knows it. Post it on social media. Get excited for what it is that you are about to achieve. That's exactly what I did. I got excited about being a full-time trader. I got excited about making money and helping other people do it. And I did that in the form of YouTube videos and content for you guys, which is insane to think that this is the result and it's only the beginning. I can tell you guys right now that I will be one of the most known educators in the trading space, because as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And we will do this with the help of you guys as I continue to produce as much content as possible for you to really help you understand that trading really isn't that complicated, and that every single one of you can have everything your heart desires if you just go out there and do the work to actually achieve it. Set the goals, paint the vision, and understand that a great life is yours for the taking. If you haven't done so already, make sure you guys check out this video right here before we wrap it up. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because as always guys, this is your boy Rico, aka Rockstar FX. I'm out. Peace.